At least I just reprimand the Danmar Dayaw and Escal Penumbra. You know, those Marcos loyalists, they should never create a fake account on Facebook. You know that. For me, Ian Harris Martinez, you have to unfriend those Marcos loyalists who were fake Filipinos, such as Escal Penumbra, Danmar Dayaw, who else, Ate Dina Guillermo, and those people that you do not know who they are. So for me, I'm not going to fight with Danmar. I said, Danmar, Dayaw, you better to apologize to Kuya Rodelio Daguman. Rodelio doesn't do anything to Cedric. Oh, you know, the people are saying, no, Jerick said to me, may isang tao gumawa ng fake account, kung sino man. Oh, he said to me, it's Rodelio Daguman who make fake account. It's Danmar Dayaw. Oh, Danmar, I say again, don't be such a bully. Oh, remember that. You haven't know about cyberbullying. I just criticized against Marcos loyalists who were fake Filipinos. Eskel Penumbra, Paulo Cruzada, Gina Sejo, Jeffrey Asejo, G. Macasandil, and even Eskel Penumbra, Teacher Alexander Pagkalinawan, Eskel Penumbra, Barbie Pabelo, and even those others who create fake account of Rodelio Daguman, Mrs. Annie Gill, and even Rocky Tulog. Oh, I said that's not Teacher Gio Malana. Oh, that's not Mrs. Annie Gill. That's not Kuya Rodelio Daguman. Oh, that's not really them. That is cause of cyberbullying. That is slandering. Oh, do not blame everyone. I'm just urging to all of you, don't create too much fake account. Oh, for me, I don't want to create too much fake account. What I did to Teacher Gio Malana, Teacher Vincent, and even the others, I don't want to create fake account. Like me, when I create fake account in Facebook, like what happened to Luis Cabales and even JD Biniegas, this is my fault. Me, I reconcile with Luis Cabales. Me, I reconcile with JD Biniegas. Oh, JD Biniegas wants me to buy a PS4 game in Japan. Oh, when I talk with Kuya MA, I know, I don't want too much making enemies. Danmar, do not make enemies. At Kuya Rodelio Daguman, you know, si Sir Rodelio Daguman, wala naman po kinalaman kay Cedric. Maawa ka sa kanya, like, you do not know what you're talking about him, you're messing at him, you're making trolls at him, you know. I'm not making foolishness. I'm telling you, you have to stop this creating dummy accounts. Huwag ka kasi puro magulo, Danmar, like, you know, like your brainwash Felix Sabines to create fake account of Lance Salvacion. You know, Felix Sabines, wag mo ganunin si Lance Salvacion. If Lance Salvacion is a anti-Marcos, if he's a pro-Duterte, oh, anong bang kinalaman kay Lance Salvacion kung ayaw niya ang TVJ, oh. You know, let him be. I do not want too much toxicity. Alright? Because right now, I know Lance Salvacion, I know Harbatera, Victor Martin Soriano, I know Best Pills, Arnel Guerrero Castillo. I know best pills, Arnel Guerrero Castillo, and also Victor Martin Soriano, Harbatera. They're my good friends. I say to Felix Sabines, you have to reconcile with Lance Salvacion. Do not make argue with him. Oh, that's simple.